Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video is going to be how I make money on YouTube. Oh my gosh, I forgot to write this down. Okay, so I have several ways how I make money on YouTube, and a couple of them I no longer use or work with. I'm not saying I'll never work with them in the future, but I'm not actively working with them. No, I hope that makes sense for you guys. So let me tell you who I'm no longer working with. So I'm no longer working with Smile Bright, sorry. I've promoted them for years. Even with my last update, I still have not used the product in probably over a year, and my teeth are still at #1. So it's something that I believe strongly in. I just haven't worked with them recently. It's not because the brand is not good or the quality has lapsed or waned. That's not the issue. I just have not worked with them actively recently, and that's a recent, I mean like in the past year or two. Oh my god. Wait a minute, hold on, stop the video, honey. Did y'all see my hair? Y'all ain't seen my hair, honey. Okay, let me tell you about my hair. So my hair is from Beauty Forever. These are Malaysian curly. This is, I think, 16 inches. I think 16 inches or 14 inch, I believe. 2 14 inch and two 12 inch. Girl, and I made it into a bang. If you follow my vlog channel, but the bang is like really long. Where's my scissors? The bang is hella long, so I was planning on cutting the bang. Hold on. Right, so Beauty Forever, I've been working with them for years and years and years. I've been working with them for years and years and years, and I actually have this written down as well. So I actually this is how I actually make money as well, by doing reviews here on my YouTube channel. So companies see me, they like me as a person, and they decide, you know what, I want this girl to help promote my products, so I'm going to use her to help promote my products, right? So because of that, they reach out to me, I give them my price, and we just go ahead with it. Now my thing is, I'm horrible when it comes down to business. I'm always giving discounts, you know what I mean? I can't disclose how much I charge the companies because that's personal, and I've signed agreements with these companies and stuff, so I can't tell you how much. I guess I could tell you. Yeah, I guess I could tell you, but I'm just choosing not to. How much I charge these companies, but I do charge to make wigs. So whenever you see me, and it's probably obvious when I tell you guys what hair I'm wearing, and the info's in the description bar, that video is paid for. They pay to be introduced in the video, and some of them have different criteria. Some of them say that they want the hair to be for this amount of length in the video, like 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, full mention in the middle of the video, at the end of the video. They have specifications, and because I'm being paid by them, I adhere to their specifications. Now what is difficult, which I don't think a lot of people understand, is the actual development of these videos. I have to go out, collect the hair, pay to collect the hair myself from customs, and you all know it's not cheap. It can be very excuse me, expensive. So I have to get that paid and done with. I have to get that paid to clear it. I have to clear it to pay it. Then go out and buy like wig caps. If I need to like do the knots and stuff like that, I buy the bleach, the this, the that. Then that's just half of it. The bulk of it comes into making the wig, creating the wig. I stayed up until 2 a.m. one morning, being 21 weeks pregnant, making this wig. And I had to make it because I had to film the following day, because that's the time slot that I get. So even finding times to film is very difficult for me to do. This is my full-time job. But apart from doing this, I do other things. I do other posts. Some companies even pay for Instagram posts, Instagram mentions, IG stories. It just depends on what is laid out in your agreement. So this is definitely one way I do get paid. And again, this is from Beauty Forever. I have been wearing their hair for years. This company has my heart, my soul, my body, my mind, honey. This is another company, and I definitely know that I'm talking to you guys. I have to do my top virgin hair videos, AliExpress virgin hair videos. I've worked with some amazing companies, and Beauty Forever Hair is definitely up there in the top 5. I'm never disappointed except if I get a wavy hair and the closure or the frontal kind of lapses. You know what I mean? Like the curl doesn't stay as lush and as coiled as the bundles, because the curls for the frontals and the closures usually fall before the curls for the bundles. So I've avoided getting those types. So if you want to test, let me give you a little snippet as well. If you want to test how good a hair company is, first of all, order their straight hair. Once you see how that straight hair acts, then you know that you have a very good company. And I'm being honest, you guys, the only issue I've ever had with Beauty Forever is just their closure for their wavy hair. It doesn't stay that curl pattern that you get in the packaging. Mommy, besides that, yes, Zaman?
Somebody there kissing me, and once time it is in me. Can I show my middle finger school?
Can I show your middle finger school again?
Yes.
I'm gonna have to talk to him on Monday. Here, Baba, watch your step, watch your step, watch your step. Alright, I'm making a video soon, come, okay?
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, Mama. Yeah, Mama.
I love you.
I love you too, Mommy. Yeah.
Right, so Beauty Forever Hair, definitely love them. Gone to bed. I would definitely recommend them. I recommend them to the moon and back, honey. Like, those are my peoples. Those are my peoples. So, right, so of course, on the way is this reviewing hair reviews. And the other way, I was telling you guys who I no longer work with. I don't work with SmileBright anymore. I don't work with New Me, and I'm no longer a functioning makeup artist. So on Sundays I lead worship once a Sunday, once a month. But I'm on the worship team probably 2 to 4 times a month, depending on if they need help with the worship team on a specific night or whatever. And when I lead the Sunday, because we'll have Tuesday meetings as well, you guys call them prayer meetings. When I lead the Sunday, then I also help out. I'm also, the same team is on for the Tuesday night. So whoever on for the Sunday, on for the Tuesday night. So I'm on Monday, Sundays and Tuesdays, right? Hell and Portos, if I wait if there's a prayer week and prayer fasting, that means me on the Monday, this Tuesday, and then one more day in the week. Zine? Fine. So I had, and I vlogged this, I had a scare just this past week. Today's what day? Today's the 8th of March. The 8th of March. Yes. Today's the 8th of March. And I had a scare where I just felt pains in my lower abdominal area. I felt like a pulling through my vagina, back pains. I was lethargic, but because whenever I lead worship, bruh, I don't know where this energy comes from, honey, but I'm energized, but the minute I'm done, the minute I'm sitting down, I'm just where the announcements are going on, he's preaching or she's preaching, welcoming the new members or whatever, I am done. It's that my body just caves and I'm just like, I need to sleep. Like, I'm completely done. I'm down for the count, out for the count. So that happened and I got really scared, and German had to keep on telling me that, Simone, do not overreact. It's fine, it's because you worked with yourself too much. Called my doctor and tell him what was going on, and my doctor said my cervix might be opening up. Girl, I was like, my what? But because of what Jermaine told me, I was like, you know, I'm not gonna rush and go. Let me just, you know, see how I feel tomorrow. If I still feel the same pain tomorrow, I'm definitely going. I'm packing my hospital bag and I'm going into the hospital. And so said, so done. I woke up the next morning, the Monday morning, and I was fine. The only thing is I just have back pains, and that's because of the excess weight, but I was fine. You know what I mean? So I just do, and I know you guys might think that I'm being a little bit too careful, or I'm using this as an excuse to be lazy or not do anything, but I know my body, you understand? And I know that I just don't want to overwork it, so I don't. Yeah, so that's basically it. So because of that, I am no longer a functioning makeup artist as of like a month ago. When I get jobs, I call Osana, or she's unavailable, she's out of town, I call Kedisa, Marsha, somebody who is in that area who does makeup. So those three, I'm no longer working with SmileBright, New Me, and functioning makeup artists. Will I work with them in the future? Obviously, yes, I will. But for now, this is not how I'm making my money. How I'm making my money is through, as I told you guys before, wig reviews. And my newest thing right here is the Coldest. Y'all see this water bottle? I position this properly, honey. Like, that's deliberate, honey. That's deliberate. So the Coldest, I'm a new affiliate with the Coldest, and I'm completely grateful. I actually purchased this with the intention of, like, listen, this is an investment. You're gonna be an affiliate with the Coldest, because it's, oh, you don't know this about me. Let me tell you this about me. I love watching mukbangs, and my favorite 2 people to watch are Eat with Q and B Loves Life. But B Loves the first person I'm watching. Then she had brought on Eat with Q, and I was like, okay, she aight. But no, I love watching Eat with Q. You do not even know. I don't care about her smacking, her burping. I do not care. I'm so in love with. I love when she does the fried ones at the fried lot. I take about it. My mouth water. My mouth salivates. I love watching her. So I watch B Loves Life, and she had this. I'm like, you know, let me use her link. Click her link, and I purchased through. By the way, when I purchased through this link, the Coldest link, all these links are going to be in the description, by the way. And going forward, they will be in the description for all my videos. See? So when you click the link, you don't get a discount, but we get 15% off the sales, right? So yeah, so I purchased it. I was like, let's get her done. And I am so proud to say, I mean, I'm just a new affiliate. I'm probably 2 weeks, and I already have 1 sale. I made $4. I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, so the Coldest. So I make money now through affiliate links. So the Coldest, TEAMI. I have not stopped using TEAMI. I had posted about my TEAMI on my Instagram page, and somebody said, you can't drink the tea. The answer to that is yes. What you cannot have being pregnant, I mean, what I cannot have being pregnant is their colon cleanse. But all their teas are natural teas, unless it says otherwise. So I always talk to my rep. I'm like, yo, what can I drink? What can I not drink? And she lets me know. I'm like, that's what I want. So I placed an order over a month ago, and I still have not received it, and I'm very concerned, because sometimes my TEAMI packages are delayed, and I don't know why. But anyway, yeah. So TEAMI, and my coupon code is in the description. But with TEAMI, you do get a percentage off. My new code is Lyric18, and I think you get 80% off, 18% off, I believe. But yeah. So the next one is Vanity Planet. Any tool you see me using, the flat ironing brush, the flat iron, the wand, they're all from Vanity Planet. And I always tell you guys, so my codes for Vanity Planet will also be in the description bar below. Even the scale that they use, if you follow me on my vlog channel, I use the scale a lot. So that scale is off, and that scale is 70% off. So for thing is, you see, Vanity Planet has the biggest discounts. You don't get a lot of money, but it has the biggest discounts. With Coldest, I make more money from Coldest with just 1 sale, and you don't get a discount, but I make more money with them than with the company to actually offer you guys a discount. But so I guess it just, you know, one of them squits out one another. So like, I don't know how to explain, but them squits out them one another. Anyway, Pome Fitness, I'm selling my Pome Fitness belts. They're currently at Draws by Needles and Hair Vibes JA in Jamaica. But I'm going to take over and get all the stuff myself, and just have specific delivery dates, and just sell them, drive around and sell them to you guys, as well as but we'll just charge for delivery cost. That's what I'm going to do. Pome lashes, I have like probably 10 of each style left, and those are going for really cheap. Not on the website, but if you DM Pome by Lyric on Instagram, I manage that site as well, and that page. So if you DM us, me, then you can definitely purchase through that way. And I also make money via hair on YouTube. So how do I collect my YouTube money? I actually collect it via Western Union, and you get a little, let me see if I can show you guys. So you get when you can't, I forgot how you did it, but you can go up on your YouTube and no way, it's okay, Zamar, it's okay. Is Uncle outside doing something?
What?
So right here it says I hope this will focus. Yeah, no, see there, Google payment. So you click it, and then it tells you the Google payment or whatever it has come, your AdSense, and then you click sign in. So when you click sign in, it takes you to here. a little dashboard, and then it takes you to see how much money that you made. See? So I collect that via Western Union. I don't mind collecting. Jonathan, I'm filming. Can you wait a little bit, please?
Okay.
But you have to come out of my lap.
Why?
Because look, I'm filming.
Mommy, please, can I film with you, please?
Are you going to be quiet?
Yeah.
Alright then. Right, so so I collected via Western Union. Now the thing is, with I've never had any problems with any Western Union to go and collect my money. I've collected in Portmore at several locations in Portmore, and I've collected as well as in Kingston here. Yeah, because I did cut my bangs here on me. See there? Here. I love you. I love you.
I want lip balm?
No, lipstick.
Lipstick?
Mm-hmm.
I want a lipstick.
You say that, gotta be quiet, Jonathan. You have to be quiet. Alright, so I've never ever had any issues of collecting anything from any of those companies. I mean, from any of those locations that I've been to. And I'm talking within Kingston and Portmore. I have not collected any outside of Kingston and Portmore. Have I? I can't remember.
Yes?
I don't. Jonathan is here, going to be quiet. I can't remember, but yeah, so that's how I make up my money. And as you can see, everything is, the only thing that's not online are my personal products, like the fitness belts and the lashes. Everything else is online. With PayPal, you can open a PayPal account. You can open a PayPal account being a Jamaican, but what you can do as well is to get money, to get that PayPal or say PayPal account and into your bank account, is to request a check. That option is there for PayPal, and that's what I'm going to start to do. Request a check and then log that check straight to my bank account. That's going to be like my savings. What I do sometimes too is when I get money via PayPal, because most of my stuff are online, like all these affiliate links, the Coldest Tea, Vanity Planet, they're all given to me through PayPal. And what I do, I send the money to a friend, and then I ask a friend to send back the money to me. When I get paid for the hair reviews and stuff, what I do is I have the company send the money directly to my friend, and then my friend send it to me via Western Union or MoneyGram or some remittance something. Now whenever they send you money, or whenever they send me money rather, because I have a Jamaican PayPal account, the PayPal always takes money from it. So when that happens, I lose some money, and then when I send it to my friend, I again lose money, and by the time you send it to me, I've lost like probably $50. So yeah, between $30 and $50 depending on the amount. Yeah, so that's basically it. My camera is flashing, but that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for your patience with me. I am asking for your support as well for all these links. This video is not done in vain.